to start off with freshly washed, conditioned, and blow dried hair. So next up, I'm taking my comb and I'm pretty much just detangling my hair. My hair is already going up in the upward position and pretty much ready for the bun. So I'm just detangling my hair, and this just helps you to get your bun super flat, and everything is going to be smooth if you make sure you detangle your hair really good. The first thing you're going to need is some sort of extension or some sort of hair. The hair that I'm using is this loose wave hair. This is just some old hair from Boss Extend. This is their loose wave hair, and the reason why I'm using loose wave hair is because I want more of a natural look and I want more of a curlier bun. So if you want your bun to be more straight, or if you want your bun to be curly, you pretty much use the hair that you want to use. I basically kept folding the bundle over and over again till it came to like this little circle shape, and I put a scrunchie around it. So that's how I created this. Next, I'm just taking some Eco Styler gel, and this is the olive oil kind, and I'm just going to take some gel, and I have like this little bucket of water right here. I do not have a spray bottle, but if you have a spray bottle, feel free to use that. And I'm using these two together because I do not want a hard ass bun. I don't want my hair to be spritzed and laid. I don't want like a super hard look. I want my hair to look soft, but I do want my back to be able to hold up. So I'm going in with the water, and then I'm going to go in with the gel. And you see how my hair already looks way more slicker than what it looked before. Now I'm taking this hard bristle brush, and I'm just going to smooth up the back of my hair and make sure I'm getting everything. So now that my hair is sleek in the way that I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the hair. So you don't want to put the weave too close to the front or the back. You want to pretty much get it in the middle of your head. So we're going to take our weave, and I'm just going to put it right here in the center of my bun, of my hair. And then you want to make sure you slick up all the rest of your hair. Get everything the way that you want it. So I'm going to take my scrunchie. You can use rubber bands. You can use anything you want to use. I prefer scrunchies because they don't really break your hair off like rubber bands do. So I'm just going to take this scrunchie, and I'm basically just wrapping the scrunchie around my hair and the weave. So now we pretty much have a ponytail. So next, I'm pretty much just fingering combing this hair, and I'm just spreading it all over my hair because we're going to kind of create a donut shaped bun. Using no donut or anything like that. We're only going to be using the hair. So I'm going to start right here on the side, and I'm just going to start wrapping the hair around itself. I am going to use a few bobby pins to get the bun to mold and stay in place how I want it. So now you're going to need a scarf, and I'm just going to wrap this around my head just to make sure everything is laying flat and my bun is going to look super sleek. So I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. So this is pretty much what my hair is looking like once I've removed the scarf. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick little 360 of what it looks like from the back, the side. Y'all already know. So now moving on to snatching those edges, laying those edges. Yes, honey, my favorite part. So I'm using the KeraCare Edge Tamer, and you can use edge control, you can use hair gel, jam, whatever you want to use, but I prefer to use edge control, especially since my hair is freshly relaxed. I don't want to use anything hard, so I'm using the Edge Tamer, and we're going to lay those baby hairs. Now this is not your cup of tea. If you don't like to do this part, of course you can skip out on this part, but honey, this is my favorite. So y'all know I came to slay these edges, honey. So I'm just taking my little edges toothbrush. I love this thing, you guys. You can find this at your local beauty supply store for like 99 cents. I have like 3 of these because like these are like my best friend. So this is pretty much the finished product and the finished look, honey. This is how you slay baby hair for real. So this is how I like my bun to look. I will say that if your hair is super short, you might not be able to achieve this look, or you might have to use a different method. But this is super easy, you guys. It's super easy to achieve this look. My bangs are probably about this long, maybe, if you have watched any of my other videos. If you have not, so my bangs are pretty much about this long. So your hair does not have to be super long to achieve this bun look and to achieve this look, whether you have a pixie cut or you just have super short hair or you just bald headed as hell, you know, whether by choice or, you know, whatever. You can achieve this look. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in another video.